Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. It is Catherine. Hey, thought I'd jump on here real quick and invite you guys to my open house today at 3275 North Rim in the Longview community in Longmont, Colorado. Longview is located just east of Longmont on Highway 119, west of I-25. It's easy commute to Longmont, easy commute to Boulder, easy commute to Denver down south off of I-25, and easy commute to Fort Collins and up north to Cheyenne on I-25. It is on the market for $190,000. It's a totally remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath, oversized 2-car garage. Stop by and see what Longview has to offer. Stop by and see me at 3275 North Rim. Should you want to stop by, or should you just be cruising by to say hi to me today, please remember, I'm never too busy for you, and I like coffee, so bring me a coffee because I need to keep going all day today. My Mondays are on Saturdays, right? So my Saturdays are my Mondays, so I need coffee to keep going all day. Stop by and see me. I'll be happy to chat with you about Longview or any other properties you're interested in. If not, you know what? Have a great Saturday. It's a good day, right?